Today, I had the honor of attending the Polo Universe Dubai press conference held at the iconic Samrat Yacht along Dubai Creek in Deira. The venue set the tone for the evening, elegant, exclusive, and perfectly aligned with the vision of Polo Universe Dubai. From the moment you enter, the interiors reflect refined luxury, spacious seating, warm tones, and carefully curated details. Every corner is thoughtfully designed, blending modern style with a relaxed, upscale atmosphere. A beautifully curated buffet set against the luxury of the Al Samrat Yacht. From freshly prepared starters to flavorful mains, every dish is thoughtfully presented. A perfect balance of taste, elegance, and variety crafted to match the exclusivity of the event. Good food always brings people together, and this spread adds the perfect touch to the experience. The media representatives, industry leaders, and special guests gathered for an insightful showcase of innovation and global collaboration. Walking onto the top deck and instantly feeling the breeze. Every step opens up a wider view. Blue skies above, the sea stretching endlessly ahead. From here, it's just open water, soft waves, and Dubai shining in the distance. A perfect place to slow down, breathe, and take it all in. And as the sun begins to set, the ocean turns golden. Pure calm, pure beauty. Moments like this make the view unforgettable.
Universe year-end press conference, please turn your eyes to the center stage for a mesmerizing Tanura dance. A round of applause.
Ladies and gentlemen, for your next experience, the show continues with the Tenora. This is an Egyptian folk dance derived from the whirling dance performed as a Sufi religious practice of remembrance or invocation of God, and is also known as the whirling dervish.
Please welcome Dr. Raya Turkey.
Hello everyone, I want to welcome the presence of Mr. Hamad Al-Nadim, Mr. Masoom, all our esteemed guests and friends. And I'm so happy to celebrate today the success of Miss Polo Universe. We are celebrating success and beauty, and I wish all the best for Deira and for Miss Polo Universe, and I'm looking forward to the Tom pageant in 2026. Wish you all the best.
So I sat there and so beautiful. First of all, Jenny, thank you very much for inviting us to come to this event. It's very good. This time we are different old ceremonies. And second is, I wish you all the best for the next fashion show which will be
you so much. Mr. Welcome, the founder of Fieldwork Consultancy and 365 Patents, Mr. Jover de la Cruz.
Good evening, everyone, to our distinctions. Welcome on board. Captain, thank you for accommodating us.
My pleasure.
Okay, so pageantry is such a big platform over the world, not only in the Philippines, but the whole world actually brewing for women empowerment. And Miss Polo Universe, an organization, just showed the meaning of unity through empowerment. Congratulations, Diana, for the successful 2025, and we're looking for a better 2026 edition. That's more than thank you very much.
To tell the universe my side of the story. First and foremost, I would like to thank actually Miss Polo International. Being part of the organization in 2024 and serving as one of its producers truly ignited my passion for pageantry and the events industry. It reminded me why I entered this space in the first place, to create a platform with purpose, impact, and meaning. Earlier this year, I was approached by the owner of Miss Polo International to take on the role of facilitator for the 2025 edition in the United Arab Emirates. Following internal organization changes, for clarity, those decisions were entirely internal and had no connection to me. In April 2025, I believe some of you as well witnessed that when we successfully led and delivered the official kick-off press conference for Miss Polo International fully and professionally. However, as time progressed, it became clear that our visions, working dynamics, and expectations no longer aligned. I believe that for any organization to thrive, there must be mutual trust, clear support, and respect for the people on the ground. Unfortunately, the alignment was no longer present. After careful reflection, I made a difficult but principled decision to formally step down. Twice. With my final resignation rendered on June 18, 2025. This resignation was formally acknowledged by the Miss Polo International Organization. I left respectfully, with dignity, and without disputes, because I believe that how you exit matters just how much as you enter. From that moment, Miss Polo Universe was born. Not as a reaction, but as a vision. Miss Polo Universe is an independent platform built from my years of experience, lessons learned, and a deep desire to redefine modern pageantry. I felt there was really a genuine gap in the industry. A need for a platform that goes beyond beauty, titles, and appearances. Miss Polo Universe focuses on social impact, social responsibility, and meaningful advocacy. It is about empowering women to be voices of change, leaders in their communities, and queens with purpose, not just crowns. So to be very clear, Miss Polo Universe is not a copy, not a takeover, and not a continuation of any other brand. It is a new chapter built on integrity, independence, and a clear mission for the future of pageantry. I remain grateful to the journey that led me here, respectful of the past, and fully focused on building something meaningful for the future. Thank you.
How does hosting a high-caliber international events like Miss Polo Universe align with Dubai's vision as a global hub for luxury and empowerment?
Of
course, if you want to be famous and international, you need to find international international partner with you, so you will become more popular and famous.
Okay, thank you so much.
Good evening, everyone. Thank you, Zana, for having us all here in this wonderful yacht. It's a beautiful evening. I have been to Miss Polo Universe 2020 for giving the message of empowerment to everyone else around the world. And I'm really looking forward to another year and more years of the same events being held, because it's not only women you are
digital assets, and the winner journey content for local promotion. The World Finals, a guaranteed spot for your national winner to compete on the global stage in a world-class host city. Ideal franchise partners can have event management agencies, fashion and media entrepreneurs, sports organization, cultural and tourism boards. For those who's ready to take the lead, our team is standing by. You will find the franchise trust in the press kits that you're going to find in our social media platform. Director, do you have anything else to add for the opening of our franchise?
Yeah, I think I have nothing to add really, but yes, we are officially open for franchise from all over the world. So we have already, in fact, like a couple of them, or I don't know, we didn't count, but then yes, we have, at the moment, we have South Africa, we have Spain, we have Peru, we have North America, Philippines, of course, and then more to come. Yeah, inshallah.
At this, thank you so much, madam. And at this juncture, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to ask a very warm round of applause through the leadership of Sir Islam, the director of Alpha, and also the staff and crew who serve as a very successful accommodation and food for the tonight. We're looking forward to you booking your events as you have already explored how beautiful, how luxurious, how elegant the feel of this yacht is. We're looking forward to having you in the future conferences, events, parties to celebrate here at Al Samrat. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen.
As we wrap up this incredible experience, a heartfelt thank you to Polo Universe Dubai for the warm hospitality and the thoughtful giveaways. Truly appreciated and a perfect way to end a remarkable event.